Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36 and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for the pop-up to show. When it does, tap on Remove and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar is gone. You can also hold your device's screen instead. Tap on this icon at the top left corner of your search bar and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!